Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Intense love does not measure, it just gives. Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their echoes are truly endless. I have found the paradox that if you love until it hurts, there can be no more hurt, only more love. We shall never know all the good that a simple smile can do. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. Being unwanted, unloved, uncared for, forgotten by everybody, I think that is a much greater hunger, a much greater poverty than the person who has nothing to eat. Do not think that love, in order to be genuine, has to be extraordinary. What we need is to love without getting tired. If we want a love message to be heard, it has got to be sent out. To keep a lamp burning, we have to keep putting oil in it. Love is a fruit in season at all times, and within reach of every hand. One of the greatest diseases is to be nobody to anybody. Do ordinary things with extraordinary love. Love begins by taking care of the closest ones, the ones at home. Be happy in the moment, that's enough. Each moment is all we need, not more. Profound joy of the heart is like a magnet that indicates the path of life. I prefer you to make mistakes in kindness than work miracles in unkindness. If you want to change the world, go home and love your family. Work without love is slavery. Some people come in our life as blessings, some come in your life as lessons. If we really want to love, we must learn how to forgive. Sometimes a good feeling from inside is worth much more than a beautician. If we worry too much about ourselves, we won't have time for others.